This is video 15 of a 28 video series on the detail of a 2019 Mini Cooper Clubman. And in this video, we'll look at cleaning up the exhaust tips. So detailing in the approach, I like to always start with, and I think a lot of people do, is start with the least aggressive approach and then work your way up. So I started with TarX just because it's oil-based contamination around the exhaust tips. I ended up going to a combination of glass pad in combination with menzerna metal polish, and this makes the job a lot easier. So this staining on the chrome can be quite stubborn sometimes, but this combination of the glass pad and menzerna makes it a breeze and leaves the finish really clear. If you have to use something like steel wool or something more aggressive, it's going to scratch the chrome, so really I don't like to go that far if I don't have to. But this combination seems to be really nice, and the glass pad I'm using is one of the softer ones. There are a lot of variations, but in this case it's soft type. And with menzerna metal polish, you don't need a lot of pressure. Basically, work it into the surface and then kind of start polishing it. Let the chemical do the job. And ready to wipe off for mirror finish. And also I like to coat the inner part. This is the part that gets the most contamination from the exhaust. So if you get a good cleaning, and then later we'll coat that area with CARPRO Deluxe, and I'll give it some protection for making cleaning a lot easier. So while I was down there, I decided to polish the muffler. So again, using the glass pad in combination with menzerna metal polish. You don't need a polishing machine, and in this case particularly it's got a lot of grooves in it, so polishing by hand is a lot more efficient, and this combination is very effective and it makes it a lot shinier. In some vehicles you can see this part of the car from the back, so it shouldn't be on left. And in the next video, we'll look at polishing the mirrors that had previously been removed to polish the panels.